guys. I'm going to try to do this the best that I can. This is the Geode I cracked open, I think, maybe last week when I was exploring, and it is the most iridescent thing I have ever seen. Yeah, look at it. I'm going to zoom way in. Look at this iridescent madness. Absolutely bonkers. Iridescence there. Zoom out just a little bit. Crazy. Oh my gosh. There's so much iridescence in this thing. It's not even funny. Wow, it's absolutely nuts. Come on, focus now. It's just incredible how iridescent this thing is. Let me try and get a shot up here. I just took some up close pictures with my DSLR on this. I think it was one of these points up here. It may have been this one. No, it was up here. It was that point right there. I took some pictures of, and my God, look at it. Now that'll zoom way on. Absolutely insane iridescence. It's so iridescent, it's like blowing out the camera. And I can't even focus on it because it's too bright. It's crazy stuff. Unbelievable. It is like fire. Gosh. I can't even focus on it. It's just this plate that popped off the Geode. It's just, you could see all the iridescence on it. It's just blowing my mind.